Hi everyone. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Custom by Thunderbike, known as Dark Fade, is what happens when an already dominant touring machine is pushed far beyond factory limits. Right from the first glance, this motorcycle demands your attention. The standard Street Glide CVO is already a bold machine, but Thunderbike has taken that confidence and turned it into something far more aggressive, more muscular, and far more unforgettable. The transformation begins at the front. What instantly changes the entire attitude of this bike is the massive 23-inch front wheel. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it completely reshapes the motorcycle's silhouette. Suddenly, the Street Glide appears longer, taller, and much more commanding on the road. The large spoke wheel creates an imposing stance that feels almost predatory, as if the bike is leaning forward, ready to attack the next mile. To make this setup possible, Thunderbike developed a special 4-degree triple clamp. This custom engineering solution gives the fork more clearance from the frame while maintaining proper geometry for clean, stable handling. So while the bike looks dramatically different, it still rides with precision and balance. The wheel itself is a masterpiece. A 3-piece, 15-spoke design crafted from milled aluminum gives the front end a clean yet technical appearance. Every angle reflects craftsmanship, performance, and premium finishing. To match the oversized wheel, Thunderbike created a custom front fender design specifically for this build. It hugs the wheel tightly, following its shape with minimal gaps and smooth, flowing lines. Inspired by the original factory fender, it preserves Harley's design DNA while sharpening the overall aesthetic. Even the mounting system was rethought. Special adapters allow the fender to attach cleanly to the fork legs, eliminating visual clutter and creating a more refined finish. And then you notice the brakes. Mounted behind the giant wheel are 340mm floating wave brake discs. Their blade-like design immediately adds a more aggressive, performance-focused character to the front end. But these discs aren't just for show, they deliver precise braking response and maximum stopping power. Combined with the factory-installed upside-down fork and radially mounted 6-piston Brembo calipers, braking performance is already exceptional. But Thunderbike didn't stop there. The addition of Wilbur suspension elevates the riding experience even further. You get more feedback from the road, more confidence through corners, greater stability at speed, and noticeably sharper handling. For a large touring machine, that kind of responsiveness changes everything. The first visual impression, however, is all about the paint. The exclusive Raven Fade finish gives this Street Glide an entirely different personality. A deep, rich black gradually fades into shimmering gray, creating a finish with extraordinary visual depth. Under different lighting conditions, the paint shifts character, sometimes darker, sometimes brighter, always alive. This is signature CVO craftsmanship at its finest. Every surface has been carefully considered. Black chrome finishes create subtle reflections throughout the bike. Engine bolts are blacked out for a cleaner mechanical appearance. Carefully placed orange-red accents add contrast without overwhelming the design. Look closely and you'll see these details repeated everywhere, from the primary cover and rocker boxes to the logos and ignition cables. Nothing feels random, every element is coordinated. At the rear, the factory license plate setup has been removed and replaced with Thunderbike's down and inside license plate holder combined with the inside plate system. The result is a much cleaner rear section with integrated lighting and a far more streamlined silhouette. Then comes the soundtrack. This build features a Jekyll and Hyde exhaust system finished in dark chrome. The sound is deep, commanding, and unmistakably premium. It delivers the kind of presence you feel before you even see the bike. And because it's fully adjustable, you can tailor the exhaust character to match your riding mood. The lighting system adds another layer of modern sophistication. Traditional turn signals are gone as separate components. Instead, signature LED lighting is seamlessly integrated into the bike's bodywork. A continuous light signature flows from the headlight into the fairing, giving the front end a futuristic, luxury-inspired appearance. It feels less like a motorcycle and more like a high-performance grand touring machine from the future. At the heart of Dark Fade sits Harley-Davidson's powerful Milwaukee-Eight VVT 121 engine. This variable valve timing power plant delivers strong, usable torque throughout the RPM range. Whether you're cruising effortlessly or demanding instant acceleration, the engine responds exactly when you need it. Smooth power delivery, strong low-end pull, high-speed confidence. It's everything you expect from a premium performance bagger. Technology is equally impressive. The Street Glide features Harley Skyline OS infotainment system displayed on a massive 312mm TFT screen. It feels more like the cockpit of a luxury performance vehicle than a traditional motorcycle. Navigation, ride modes, connectivity, media, and system controls are all presented through a crisp, modern interface. And then there's the sound system. The Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 audio setup ensures your music remains clear and powerful, even at highway speeds. This is not background noise, it's a proper premium audio experience. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed for style. Heated grips are fully integrated into the design, blending naturally with the controls while adding everyday practicality. The custom fused handlebar combines elements of a Mini Ape and Z-bar. This gives the bike a more aggressive visual stance while maintaining a relaxed, natural riding position ideal for long-distance travel. And finally, the seat. The Spirit leather saddle completes the build with both comfort and elegance. Red contrast stitching ties into the bike's accent theme, while smooth and perforated leather surfaces create a premium tactile feel. Additional padding improves comfort on longer rides, while an elegant medallion adds a subtle finishing touch. So what is Dark Fade really? It's not just a customized street glide. It's a luxury performance bagger with attitude. A touring machine transformed into something darker, sharper, and far more aggressive than stock. Built for riders who want comfort, technology, sound, and performance, but refuse to blend into the background. Thanks for watching.